Dear students, today we are starting a new lesson, that is index number of part 2. Let us first understand the meaning of index numbers by understanding the relationship between the value of money and price level of articles. The value of money does not remain constant over time. It rises or falls and is inversely related to the changes in the price level. That means a rise in the price level means a fall in the value of money, and a fall in the price level means a rise in the value of money. Changes in the value of money are reflected by the changes in the general level of prices over a period of time. As general prices rise, the purchasing power of consumers decreases. Price level increases means value decreases. Value decreases means the consumers will not buy the purchase, or the purchasing power means that is the rate of purchase will decrease. And changes in the general level of prices can be measured by a statistical device known as index number. That means index number is a statistical device which measures the changes in the general level of prices. Definition of index number. Index number is a technique of measuring changes in a variable or a group of variables with respect to time, geographical location, or other characteristics. It is an economic indicator of business activities. Now, it measures the average change in several variables between two different times, places, or situations. Here, two different times can be two different years, where the latter is called the current year and the former is called the base year. And the variable can be the price of wheat, and the group of variables can be the price of sugar, the price of milk, the price of rice, etc. An index number is a single ratio usually expressed as percentage. And the example, Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex are the main stock indices in India. Nifty 50 and BSE. BSE Sensex means Bombay Stock Exchange Sensitive Index. Okay. Now, there are more definitions given for index numbers given by the different economists, and you can read and understand those definitions from the textbook. Types of index numbers. First one, price index number, then quantity index number and value index number. Let us see the price index number. It measures the changes in the price level. It compares the current year with that of the base year. Price of the current price of an article in the current year with that of the base year to indicate the relative variation. It is a very good measure of inflation in the economy. Now, quantity index number. It measures the changes in the quantities of goods produced, sold, consumed, etc. between the two specified years. It is a good indication of the output of an economy. Now, value or index number means it combines the prices and quantities by taking the product of price and quantity as the value. Value of an article means the product of price and quantity. So, value index number measures the changes in the value of an article in different years, current year to that of the base year. Now, base period is indicated by the subscript 0 and current year is indicated by the subscript 1. There are some notations used in the calculation of index numbers. P0, P suffix 0, price of a commodity in the base year, and Q0, quantity of a commodity in the base year. We know the base year is represented by taking the suffix 0. and P1 is the price of a commodity in the current year and Q1 is the quantity of a commodity in the current year. W is the weight. Weight means not in the kilogram, it weightage. Weightage assigned to a commodity according to its relative importance in the group. Now I is the simple index number. It is also called price relative. It is calculated as I is equal to P1 upon P0 into 100, where P1 is the price in the current year and P0 in the price in the base year. Now P01 is the representation of price index number for the current year with respect to the base year, and Q01 is the quantity index for the quantity index number or quantity index for the current year with respect to the base year, and similarly V01 is the value index number for the current year with respect to the base year. Now value of a commodity, I have already explained what is value. Value is defined as the product of its price and quantity. The methods of constructing index number. There are two methods. They are simple aggregate method and weighted aggregate method. In simple aggregate method, the formula for finding the index numbers for three different index numbers are: price index number P01 is equal to sigma P1 upon sigma P0 into 100, where sigma P0 is the sum of the prices of all commodities in the base year and sigma P1 is the sum of the prices of all commodities in the current year. Similarly, Q01 is the quantity index number which is calculated by sigma Q1 upon sigma Q0 into 100, and sigma Q0 is the sum of the quantities of all commodities in the base year and sigma Q1 is the sum of the quantities of all commodities in the current year. Now V01 is the product value index number. Value of a commodity is the product of price and quantity. So V01 is given by sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100, where sigma P0 Q0 is the sum of the values of all commodities in the base year and sigma P1 Q1 is the sum of the values of all commodities in the current year. Now the weighted aggregate method, that is the second method of constructing index numbers, are discussed after the exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1 is related with this simple aggregate method.